Welcome to the epitome of luxury living at Lake Chapala, La Reserva West. Nestled just 3 kilometers west of the vibrant Ajijic Center, this video takes you on a guided tour of our magnificent 3-bedroom, 3 full bath model home and the exceptional amenities our community offers. Step into a turnkey haven complete with premium stainless steel appliances shine amidst granite countertops, durable PVC windows and doors, all adorned with practical mosquito screens. The beauty of ceramic tiles underfoot is complemented by iconic Boveda ceilings. Natural light poured in through the skylights, illuminating every corner. A spacious covered terrace perfect for relaxation, overlooking pristine surroundings. Convenient covered parking for 2 vehicles, inclusive of a handy storage area. Plus, a thoughtfully designed side entrance ensures smooth access for gardeners. Dive into the solar-heated pool or let the bubbles of the jacuzzi ease your day. Energize in the fully equipped gym or relish the serenity of our outdoor lounging space. Warm up indoors, lounging by the fireplace, or rustle up a meal in our state-of-the-art communal kitchen. Wander through green expanses, enriched by awe-inspiring views of the Sierra Madre Occidental Mountains. La Reserva West isn't just a home, it's an experience, a lifestyle. Discover what makes us the most prestigious development Lake Chapala has to offer today. Dive into this video and imagine your life here. Experience unparalleled luxury, experience La Reserva West.